Hi, everyone. My name is Sana Remiki, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Conscia. We are super excited to partner with Cloudinary as it is one of the most powerful API-first digital asset management platforms in the market. The integration between Conscia and Cloudinary offers marketing teams an intuitive interface within Conscia's Experience Studio to create and manage personalized experiences driven by images and videos stored in the Cloudinary cloud. Marketers can now control which images and videos are seen by which customer, as well as how that image or video should be transformed or optimized within a given context. Conscia's DX engine is truly headless and offers centralized control over the experience for all channels, not just your website. So you can control personalization on the website, but you can also reuse the same logic in various channels. This makes it possible to power consistent experiences throughout the customer journey and reduces the overhead on marketing teams as they manage experiences on a variety of touch points. The experience can be personalized based on the customer's real-time intent and signals, such as location, device, time of day, as well as customer traits such as product or content affinities, computed from historical interaction data. Cloudinary exposes a lot of the functionality that they have through some impressive set of APIs that not only deliver media to the front end at amazing speed and scale, but also allows for optimization and transformation of images and videos in real time. Most personalization platforms are unable to take advantage of this capability of Cloudinary. This is because they have to copy and paste images and videos from Cloudinary into their own content hubs for the purpose of personalization and setting the rules that marketers can set within their own environment. And then they serve these images from their own cloud infrastructure. Conscia requires no lifting or shifting of media content and accesses this content or this media from Cloudinary in real time using Cloudinary's APIs. Now, I'm going to turn it over to Jason to walk us through the demo of Cloudinary and Conscia working together.
Thanks, Anna. In this demo, I'll take you through a challenge that you as a digital-focused organization might be facing. Specifically, how do I leverage the visual assets I have in my DAM while enabling personalization to drive better engagement? On top of that, how do I leverage Cloudinary's powerful set of transformation APIs to enhance how I personalize the customer experience? For this demo, I'll be showcasing the integration between Cloudinary and Conscia. Cloudinary is our source of visual content and our engine for visual transformation. Conscia, on the other hand, supplies the personalization engine which connects with Cloudinary to generate the personalized experience. The page you're seeing is a typical experience a customer sees when they visit your website's homepage. This particular homepage has 3 different components. Now, depending on whether I'm a customer from the US or a customer from the UK, I want to be able to personalize what visual content is returned as part of that experience. In this example, that's called the same page but as a customer from the US. As you can see, the image from our hero banner and the promotional video have been personalized based on our context. What's happening behind the scenes is the front end is taking the context that we know about the customer, in this case location, and passing this information to the Conscia experience engine. The Conscia engine then uses rules set up by marketers to fetch content directly from Cloudinary's headless APIs and orchestrates all of that content into a single response that the front end can work with. Because we don't have to lift and shift any data and everything is API driven, our approach supports a composable architecture. As another example, let's take a look at the same page but pass UK as our location context. Here, you see again that the visual content for each of the 3 components are personalized to match our new context. So now that you've seen the front-end customer experience, let's take a look at the business tool that allows marketers to do personalization. As we saw earlier, our home page was comprised of 3 components that surfaced visual content. Here, you can see those same 3 components on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Let's start by taking a look at how we personalize the hero banner image for the US audience. This is the personalization rule that configures what content we're pulling from Cloudinary. The rule has 3 different elements to it. The first element is the campaign start and end dates that allow you to set a time frame for a particular personalization. The second element is the trigger condition. In this case, we're defining the location as our trigger context, and so this personalization rule will activate when the location equals the US. The third element defines the target experience. In this case, the image content we're pulling from Cloudinary. Here, we're connecting with Cloudinary's API to source content directly from their cloud. For this rule, we're looking for images in Cloudinary that have been tagged with these specific keywords. We're also specifying an advanced filter whose criteria must be met in order to be returned as part of the content coming back. With these three elements in place, our rule is set up and returns our hero banner for the US audience. As the second example, let's look at the rule that controls the personalization of the promotional video for the UK audience. Instead of defining a search criteria for records, like we saw in the first rule, this rule is slightly different in that we're curating a set of records to return. Here, we're using Cloudinary's Search API and selecting the video we want to display to our UK customers. As a final example, let's combine Cloudinary's powerful real-time transformation API with Conscia's ability to take in multiple contexts to hyper-personalize the featured products. In our rule here, we've defined our trigger context as UK customers who are considered the VIP. This will trigger a special Cloudinary transformation that adds a flash sale banner to all of the product images. As you can see here, marketers can leverage Cloudinary's library of image transformations directly from Conscia's Experience Studio as part of their personalization. And so that takes us to the end of this demo. I hope you saw how Conscia is able to personalize experiences using content stored within Cloudinary and how we can further this experience by using Cloudinary's powerful transformation APIs. Thanks again for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out to us if you have any questions.